In this video, we will walk through different blocks in the motion blocks category and will try to use as many of them as possible in the subsequent videos. This move block is used to move the sprite to the specified number of steps. By default, the number is 10. Let's double-click the block and you can see that the sprite moves ahead. Let's change the number of steps to 100. Double-click the block and the sprite moves 100 steps. To move the sprite backward, you can specify the number of steps in negative and the sprite moves backward. Next block is this turn or rotate block, which will rotate the sprite to the angle specified. Let's specify the angle as 45 and double-click the block. On every double-click, the sprite moves 45° clockwise. Similarly, there is a block to turn the sprite anti-clockwise by a certain angle. Let's put 45 and double-click. The sprite moves 45° anti-clockwise. The next block is this go to random position block. As it is self-explanatory that on every double-click the sprite moves to a random position. In the same block, there is another option, which is to take the sprite to the mouse pointer. This can be helpful in certain scenarios. We already have used this go to XY block, so I'll skip it. Next block is glide to random position. It takes 1 second to glide to the random position. You may change the number of seconds to adjust the movement's pace. Point in direction is used to point the sprite in a certain angle. When you click in the text box, it opens a guide for convenience. And you may drag to set the desired angle. Then there is change X by a block, which is used to change the X position of the sprite while keeping the Y constant. This means the sprite will move only in horizontal position. Similarly, change Y by block can be used to move the sprite only vertically. There are set X and set Y blocks to set the X and Y values of the sprite, respectively. The block, if on edge bounds, and set rotation style will be discussed in next lessons, whereas rest of the blocks are a bit advanced, so we'll skip them for now. And this concludes our walkthrough.